For my demonstration today, I used some yarn that I had laying around and a little metal block that my mom made in one of her machining classes. And it's pretty heavy. So to do the demonstration, I had to have my grandmother help me. So I can't show you the full demonstration because she doesn't want to be in the video. I'm sorry. But I simply took my protractor and I held it up and I marked along my yarn. I pre-measured and marked with a Sharpie along my line each of the 80 centimeters, 100, 120, and 140. And as I went through them, I would line up that mark to the top of my protractor. Like, this is the 80. I would line it up to the top of the protractor and just hang it over. And then after I had it hanging right, my grandma would take the block, because she could reach down below me to grab the block and pull it to a certain angle. She would pull it until I told her to say stop, and I would go the 10 or the 20 degrees, whichever one I was doing that time. And I would tell her that's the right angle, and then she'd let go of it and start my stopwatch on my current phone. And I would count to 10, and when I say 10, she will instantly stop the stopwatch for me and tell me the time. And then after she told me the time each time, I would go and put it on the chart on my lab Word document. And after that, I did each of the 3 trials. As I got to the 180, which is almost the same height as me, I struggled a lot because I am a pretty short person, so it got harder as I went up in the centimeters. And then for the 20, I would just pull it from the 90 to the 70 to do 20, and then let it swing like such until it got to 10, going back and forth like 10 oscillations. And then when it reached 10, she would of course stop it, and we did that 3 times for each one. And we had to do it twice because the first time I did it somewhat wrong and the values were a little off, so we had to do it more than once. But that is my demonstration. I hope this block is enough weight. It's pretty heavy, but it should be okay, I hope. Thank you for my lab video.